Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Engineers Academy. Today, we're going to discuss SQL interview question. Today's question. We are given a table called Suspect, which contains 4 columns, ID, name, surname, and height in centimeters. This table has 5 suspects, each with their own height and full name. Now here's the scenario. A bank robbery has taken place, and we have a few clues about the suspect. Our job is to filter out everyone who cannot possibly be the robber based on these clues. The first clue tells us that the robber is not taller than 170 centimeters. So anyone taller than that is automatically ruled out. The second clue is about the name. The robber's first name starts with the letter B. This match should be case insensitive, meaning it doesn't matter if it's stored as an uppercase B or a lowercase b. The third clue is a bit trickier. The robber's surname is similar to the word green, but with exactly one letter changed. So instead of just looking for the exact word green, we need to look for any surname that follows the same pattern, where only one character in the middle is different, like green or grain. Once we apply all 3 of these clues together, we need to return the ID, name, and surname of the remaining suspects, and the results should be ordered by ID. This is the SQL query, and here is the expected output. Now let us execute this in Snowflake environment. Here is the query to create the table suspect with 4 columns as they mentioned. And now you can run this query, and you can see the table created successfully. Now we will insert the values into the table using insert into statement by specifying their columns in parentheses. And if we execute this, you can clearly see all rows that were inserted in the suspect table, and here are the number of rows inserted were 5. Now let's break down this query clause by clause. We start with select ID, name, surname. These are the 3 columns we want in our output. Then, from suspect tells SQL which table to pull data from. Now, the where clause holds our 3 filtering conditions. First, height _cm less than or equal to 170, matching our clue that the robber isn't taller than that. Using less than or equal to means someone exactly at 170 still qualifies. Second, lower of name like B%. The lower function makes this case insensitive, and the % sign is a wildcard matching any number of characters. So this simply means any name starting with B. Third, lower of surname like GRE_N. Here, the underscore is a different wildcard. It matches exactly one character, no more, no less. So this pattern catches any 5-letter surname starting with GRE, with one flexible letter, ending in N. That's how it catches green, green, and grain, all in a single condition. All 3 conditions are joined with and, meaning a suspect must pass every single one to qualify. That's why Brian fails on surname, and Adam fails on his first name. Finally, order by ID arranges our results in ascending order. Run this query, and we get exactly 3 suspects, Ben Green, Bob Green, and Baylor Grain, the only ones who match every single clue. Thank you for watching this video, and for more details contact this Data Engineers Academy phone number.